Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials, your Airtel number active and the Airtel Thanks app installed. Once ready, make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is on so the app can fetch live info. Open the app. If you prefer UST, open the phone dialer and enter the Airtel usage code. This first step starts the query, so you get real numbers. Make sure permissions for data and SMS are allowed in settings. Without them, the app or UST replies may not show accurate usage. Once in the Airtel Thanks app, locate data usage or my account on the main screen. Tap it to reveal daily consumption, remaining MB/GB, plan validity and any speed capping. That explains why browsing feels slow. If you want hourly detail, open usage details or session history to see time and amount per session. Make sure to pull to refresh or hit the refresh icon. The app caches info, so refreshing gives you the true, current numbers right away. If you prefer no app, dial the Airtel UST code to get an instant usage summary. Results show remaining data and plan expiry. Alternatively, log into the Airtel web portal or start a chat with customer care for billing breakdowns. Once done, compare app, UST, and portal numbers. If they differ, toggle airplane mode, then reconnect or reinstall the app to clear cache. If issues persist, contact support. Insist on a session log to reconcile discrepancies and confirm real-time balances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.